Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the boAt Rockerz 385v2 wireless Bluetooth headset. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. It says the slide towards fun. These are wireless neckband style earphones. It says 40 hours non-stop playback, 10 minutes charge will give you 10 hours of playback, full charge in 1 hour. Okay, so that's good to know. If you turn it around at the back, they've given some more key features. So these have 10 drivers, okay, for both signature sound. It says smooth controls with a slide power switch. So the power switch is a slide power switch. It has Qualcomm aptX HD support. Okay, that's great. Fox leather neckband with magnetic earbuds. So the earbuds are magnetic at the end, they snap together. It's IPX6 splash and sweat resistant. The Bluetooth version is 5.0 with dual pairing. It has a Type-C interface, so the charging is a Type-C interface. It also has Qualcomm CVC call noise isolation, so that's another feature that this has. And it has a single press voice assistant, so you single press and the voice assistant pops up. So pretty neat once that's paired, of course. Let's just go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so there you go on unboxing it. This is what you get. Just take them out, and these are the boAt Rockerz 385v2 wireless Bluetooth headset. So it's quite a premium design. As you can see, the side, the neckband is fairly flexible. These are the earphones themselves, and the controls are right here on this side. You can see the power button, and you have a up and a down. It has a slide power switch. And what else do you get in the box? So let's see. In this packet you get your USB, you get your extra ear tips. So there are 4 extra ear tips. You have your boAt, there's some documents over here from boAt, and you have your USB Type-C charging cable. That's the USB Type-C charging cable. And this is the user guide. So let's just place that there. These are magnetic, so they will snap together. There you are, folks. So that's what you get in the box when you buy the boAt Rockerz 385v2 wireless Bluetooth headset. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.